Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing Deja Brew by Shijin Vapor. Deja Brew is manufactured in San Jose, California in an ISO 8 clean room facility. A 70 VG 30 PG blend, Deja Brew is available in 60 milliliter bottles in 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine. Deja Brew is described as a nicely balanced, light roasted coffee flavor with a sweet creamer and hints of cinnamon sprinkled on top. For the smell, I get mainly top notes of coffee with sweet cinnamon undertones. On the inhale, I get a quick blast of sugary cinnamon, which quickly switches to a robust coffee flavor that lingers on the finish. As a coffee lover, I enjoy coffee vapes, but I find most of them to be a little strong for my flavor palette. For me, Deja Brew vapes more like a medium coffee. The flavor is a rich, sweet, and smooth cappuccino type flavor with a light, spicy kick of cinnamon. I really like this flavor, but personally I could use a little less coffee notes for my taste preferences. Overall, it's a delicious coffee flavor and a perfect morning vape. If you would like to try out Deja Brew for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.